Hello students, today we are going to study about Science Class 6 Chapter 7 Things Around Us Part 2. Topics to be covered: habitat, types of habitat and components of habitat. Habitat: the natural place where an organism lives and reproduces is called its habitat. The habitat provides food, air, water and shelter to the organisms. Different animals and plants live in the same habitat. Now, components of habitat. There are two components of habitat: biotic components and abiotic components. Biotic components. Living things such as plant and animals are called biotic components. Plant, animals, scavengers and decomposers make up the biotic components of habitat. Abiotic components. Non-living things such as air, water, soil and sunlight are called abiotic components. Soil is the topmost layer of the earth crust formed by weathering of rocks. It provides water, minerals and air to the growing plants. In the absence of soil, there would be no plants and hence no food for us. Sunlight. Plants need sunlight to prepare their own food. All other organisms either depend directly or indirectly on plants for food. Sunlight helps in keeping animals warm and maintain their body temperature. Air provides oxygen and carbon dioxide, which are important for the survival of living things. Plant and animals need oxygen for respiration. Carbon dioxide released during respiration, it is used by plant for photosynthesis. Water is essential for the survival of living things. Plants use water during photosynthesis. Human beings and animals need water for carrying out most of their body functions. Temperature, the measure of how hot or cold something is called temperature. Earth is the only planet in the solar system that has a suitable temperature for life to exist. However, temperature on Earth is not same at all places. Some places near the polar region are extremely cold, where places near the equator are very hot. Temperature affects the population of plant and animals in different habitats. Types of habitat. There are three main types of habitat: terrestrial habitat, aquatic habitat and arboreal habitat. Terrestrial habitat. Plant and animals that live on land are said to be in terrestrial habitat. Desert, forest, grassland and mountain are few terrestrial habitat. Aquatic habitat. Plant and animals living in water are said to be in aquatic habitat. Ponds, lakes, rivers, seas and oceans are few aquatic habitats. Arboreal habitat. Animals use trees or use sky in arboreal habitat. For example, monkey, squirrel, etc. Thank you for watching.